Is this not heavenly?
Absolutely.
Like the smell, like it's so good, right? You're like, why? What is all these weeds laying out here? Well, normally I don't have Louise come into my tips and trick area, but this time I needed her because they have not invented smell-o-vision. And sometimes I feel like when I'm talking about like esters and aromas and things, maybe everyone is like, this girl is insane because I'm alone on camera.
But you are insane.
I know I am insane. We're gonna give this a little wash, and then we're gonna come right back to it. Is that cool?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, so we've given our mint a little wash, and now it's like really beautiful, and we're gonna talk about it, right? Mint, what is it? It's a weed. It's a weed that doesn't really want you to bother it too much. And all the people that had spent a lot of time, taking their mint and like trying to like pick it and make it beautiful is really just a waste of time. Now, my mint has gone to flower, which I purposely do because I have mint areas that I use all this mint in the restaurants. And we're going to talk about 3 different kinds that you can grow at home, or you could grow at your restaurant, or you could steal from your neighbor. No, don't steal from your neighbors. But it's really kind of interesting, right? So none of the mint here is just your typical mint. This is a chocolate mint. And chocolate mint is not because it smells like chocolate, it's because it has a darker stem.
Oh.
And this is the mint. And the reason why they got its name chocolate mint, because this is the mint that they would make into, like using different, like chocolatiers would use this kind of mint in order to make like your spearmint chocolates or something that's a little bit more delicate and fragrant, right? It's amazing, isn't it?
It's beautiful. I've always wondered why it was chocolate mint.
And it's just really like pungent, like super pungent. And it's because cacao, when you mix it with chocolate itself, it is it can overtake every flavor. So you need something that can stand up against it, and it's really quite lovely, right? So you just like, it's like, I love this. And I also love the tops when they look like this right now, even though people would say you had to clip this before it went to seed. For what I use it for cocktails, I love the seeded. Perfect. Right? Okay, so this.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Opposite of this, which is not, is as strong in the oil category and like how it's like really fragrant. This is a pineapple mint, which is a hybrid, which sounds silly, of apple mint and then traditional spearmint. And it was bred to look like this. This is not naturally occurring.
Oh.
It's kind of, but now it grows wild in my yard, and it's really beautiful. And if you just give it a good smell, the pineapple and flavor is like kind of overwhelming. But you know what I really think it smells like a lot of? Marijuana. And if you've ever like been anywhere where people smoke like growing marijuana or any growing fields, like it smells just like that, hemp, whatever you want to call it.
Does not taste like marijuana smells.
No, it doesn't. No, I really,
it's really good.
But this makes a fabulous, fabulous mojito. And then my favorite that took me forever, which I think on a couple episodes we've talked about, strawberry mint. This mint now has gone to seed completely. Now the reason why.
Looks like my hair in the morning.
Yes, because I want, I don't know what your hair looks like, and then let me put it on your head like a chapeau. The reason why I wanted to go to seed is because I'm trying to grow a patch. This mint has been impossible to get growing, but look at these leaves. They are so dark, and they're a little wet right now, so you can't really see it. They're full of little hairs, and it smells just like strawberries. It's like so beautiful. And if you mix these 2 things together, they make one heck of a delicious mojito, which we are going to make.
Today is a very good day.
It's a good day to be you, for
sure.
It is. So until they invent smell-o-vision, I'll bring Louise. I'll see you next time.